Hello. My lesson is an introductory lesson on how to use the less than, greater than, and equal to symbols. One online resource that I found particularly useful was Khan Academy. Khan Academy has a video titled Greater Than and Less Than Symbols. The video introduces the students to the concept of comparing numbers, the symbols, and a variety of examples for each symbol. I will show you a small portion of the video as an example of its content.
Quantities. Now, I will introduce you to other ways of comparing numbers. These are the equal sign is when I have the exact same quantity on both sides. Now we'll think about what we can do when we have different quantities on both sides. So let's say I have the number 3 and I have the number 1 and I want to compare them. So clearly 3 and 1 are not equal. In fact, I can make that statement with a not equal sign. So I could say 3 does not equal 1. But let's say I want to figure out which one is larger and which one is smaller. So if I want to have some symbol where I can compare them, where I can tell, where I can state which of these is larger. And the symbol for doing that is the greater than symbol. The greater than symbol.
Once the students have finished the video, they will then take the 2 Khan Academy quizzes. The quizzes will ask the students simple questions using skills from the video. In addition, if the students are stuck, they can click the link here for additional learning. Khan Academy is a great source to use because not only are the videos engaging with the narration and fun colors, but they provide thorough information and examples. The quizzes are also great because they use the process in the video, so the students are learning and practicing from the same source.